Good morning. This program is for BCom third semester, Coimbatore University. Subject name Corporate Accounting, and this session is the 23rd session. The chapter name is Final Accounts of Company. Concept to be studied here is regarding tax deducted at source, advance payment of tax, and provision for tax. Objective is to understand tax deducted at source, treatment of advance payment of tax, and treatment of provisions for tax relating to company final accounts. In the previous presentation, we have seen the treatment of special items of company final accounts. In this session, we are going to understand the treatment of tax deducted at source, advance payment of tax, and provision for tax relating to company final accounts. Let us discuss one by one. First one is tax deducted at source. TDS from income received by company will appear in the debit column of trial balance. It must be shown under current assets, loans and advances on the application of funds of the balance sheet. TDS from payment made by company will appear in the credit column of trial balance. It must be shown under current liabilities of balance sheet. Means TDS may be given either in debit side or credit side of trial balance. According to the situation, we have to treat the same in profit and loss account and balance sheet. This is about TDS or tax deducted source. And second one is provision for tax. Provision for tax means profit set aside for payment of tax. It is provided for in adjustment. It must be shown under the taxes in income statement under current liabilities and provisions in balance sheet. Next, one more transaction is advance payment of tax and provision for tax. Advance tax refers to tax paid during the financial year. Although assessment of income earned during financial year is made in the following year, the taxes are required to paid in the year of earning of income. Such payment of tax is called advance payment of tax. It appears in trial balance. It must be shown under current assets and loans and advances on the asset side of balance sheet. Under Income Tax Act 1961, companies are required to pay advance tax on their expected profit. When advance payment of tax is made, the entry is, means journal entry is, advance income tax account debit to bank account. Since the actual amount payable as income tax will be known longer after preparation of profit and loss account, the liability for taxes has to be estimated while rearing profit and loss account while preparing profit and loss account, so that dividend to shareholders may be made from revenue profit and not from capital profit. So the liability for taxes is estimated and provided for in the books. The journal entry is profit and loss account debit to provision for income tax account. Next, last one is provision for tax. It refers to profit set aside for payment of tax. It is provided for in adjustment. It must be shown under taxes in income statement and under current liabilities and provisions in balance sheet. Let us try to understand treatment of all these with an illustration. For example, so one problem is here. Let us discuss this problem. Look at the problem. For the first year, for the year ended 31st/3/2019, provision for income tax has been made for 50 lakhs. Advance payment of tax for the year amounted to rupees 45 lakhs. And tax deducted at source on income earned by company amounted to rupees 46,000. On 15th/11/2019, the assessment was completed and tax liability was determined at 58,40,000. Advance payment of tax for the year ending 31st/3/2020 was 62 lakhs. show the necessary account for the year ending 31st 3 2020 assuming rupees 70 lakhs as provision for tax for the year ending 31st 3 2020. Now we have to prepare three ledger accounts. One is provision for income tax account, advance income tax account, next to tax deducted at source account. Finally we have to prepare income tax account. So let us go one by one. First one is provision for income tax account. So with the help of that illustration, so we have to prepare first ledger account is provision for income tax. So first in the problem it is given that provision for income tax as 50 lakhs, that is the opening balance. So that's why go to the credit side, by balance carried down 50 lakhs. And one more thing is there in the last sentence, provision for assuming rupees 70 lakhs as provision for tax, that is given in the problem. So that is the closing balance. So that's why it should be debited to the provision for income tax account as to balance carried down with 70 lakhs. And one more is there, that is tax liability was determined, means on 15th 11 2019 the assessment was completed and tax liability was determined at 58,40,000. So that is debited to income provision for income tax account, that is 58,40,000. Now balance ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಪ್ಲಸ್ 8,40,000 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. 70 lakhs ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಸರ್ಪ್ಲಸ್ 8,40,000. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. That's all about provision for income tax account. Next one is advance income tax account. In the same case, even in case of advanced income tax also, that is given that in the problem advance income tax is given as 45 lakhs, that is opening balance to balance brought down 45 lakhs. And one more is there, that is 62 lakhs, that is advance payment of tax for the year ending. For the current years it is given at 62 lakhs. So that's all. ಎರಡು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಇದೆ, ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಪೇಯ್ಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 45 lakhs ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸು. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 62 lakhs ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 62 lakhsನ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಸೋರ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಇದೆ, ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಸೋರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ 46,000 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ 46,000 ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ 46,000 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ನೀವು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರಾವಿಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಡ್ಜರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ 58,40,000 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ 45 lakhs ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಸಹ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಸೋರ್ಸ್, TDS 46,000 ಇದೆ, ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಕೌಂಟನ್ನು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 12,94,000 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ದಿಸ್ illustration explains how we have to treat provision for tax, income tax, TDS in different ledger accounts. That's all about this session. Thank you.